Kamusta pa kayo dyan lahat? Happy 90th birthday po. Bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng mabang buhay at ingat po kayo lagi dyan. At ingat po. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Lola. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Inang. I hope you have a blessed and special birthday today.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Me, you have many more birthdays to come. Good health and happiness.
And more money from all your apos, especially from Liani.
Ayan, Ante, happy birthday! Bong, happy birthday! Ama mo na kami, Pai! Oh.
Happy 90th birthday, Ina.
Happy birthday po. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hope you have more birthdays to come and always be healthy and God bless po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hope to see you soon, Ina.
Say happy birthday.
Are you saying happy birthday?
Happy
birthday
to
Ina.
Inang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Kiss.
Love you po.
Bye-bye, Nang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ante, happy birthday! Bong, happy birthday! Happy birthday lang yan na. Po. Happy birthday po ka.
Yun lang,
Inang, happy birthday.
Maraming salamat.
May you have more birthdays to come.
More birthday to come.
Thank you, man.
Sana marami pang darating na taon para sa'yo.
Para
Happy
sa atin.
birthday again.
Para sa atin lahat.
Nang, happy birthday.
Hello po, Inang. Happy birthday po. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Sana po ay nasa maayos kayong kalagayan. Dito nga po pala kami, Inang, sa Korea. Pasensya na po at hindi ako nakakatawag. Kasi minsan kapag underway kami ay kaunti lang internet. Limited. At yung malakas na internet ay mahal naman. Mahal ang bayad, kaya talagang bihira lang rin po ako makakontak. Kung makakontak man ay chat-chat lang, ganyan, kaya pasensya na po. Ayun po, happy birthday, I wish you all the best. At palagi po kayo mag-iingat dyan at sana po soon ay magkaroon tayo muli ng chance para makapag-banding at makapagsama, ganyan. Wish ko lang po na lalo pang mahaba ang iyong buhay. At yun po, sa kalakasan, na sana lagi pa kayong papalakasan ni Lord. Lagi po kayong kasama sa prayers ko, Inang. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Ingat po dyan. See you soon.
Hi, Inang! Happy 90th birthday! God bless you more. Patuloy kang bigyan ng kalakasan ni Lord. And mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Wishing you all the best. Bye! Ingat po kayo lahat dyan.
Happy birthday, Inang!
Wishing you all the best. Stay healthy and enjoy your day.
And thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa amin. And hopefully, magkita-kita tayo soon. Mag-ingatin, magpalakas ka dyan. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Inang! On behalf of Molina Antipolo,
We wish you the best, Inang, best of health, and best of everything.
happy birthday, Inang!
Happy birthday, Nanay! We wish you long life and good health. More blessings to come. We love you. Happy birthday.
Higher
sana kayo lahat dyan. Especially to Inang. Happy birthday, Inang. We love you and miss you so much. Maybe, who knows, maybe next year, makapunta rin kami dyan for your birthday. Okay? So, ito si Eric, magsasalita para sa iyo.
Hello po, Nay. Happy birthday po. Hopefully po soon magkita po tayo. Hindi man po this year, there is still a lot of years to come. And a lot more birthdays for you to enjoy. Happy birthday po, Nay. Ingat po palagi. Kamusta po sa lahat?
Hi, hello po. Nice meeting you. Pag-iingat ka po dyan, mag-ingat ka po lagi and stay healthy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Inang! I hope you have a good birthday. Stay healthy and pretty. Hopefully po next time we're together so it's more fun. And ingat po palagi. We love you. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday po. God bless. Stay healthy din po and hope to see you soon and meet for the first time. Happy birthday.
Nay, wala si Danny, nasa work pa po. So, mukhang hindi siya makakahabol, mamaya pang dating eh. And again, happy birthday na! Enjoy your day! Take care and we love you so much. More happy birthdays to come. We love you!
Love you, Inang! Bye-bye!
Tang, kumusta? Happy 90th birthday. More birthdays to come. And more candles to blow. Salamat sa lahat. Ingat kayo palagi. Sana abutin ka pa ng 105. Nagmamahal. Kaloy. God bless.
Hello po, Nanay Felisa. This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Talaga naman pong isa po itong milestone at isa pong napakalaking celebration dahil po it is your 90th birthday. Happy birthday po. Alam kong ano na ba, Saturday na dyan and I know that Friday ang inyong birthday. Sorry po at I'm a day late but gusto ko pa rin iparating ang aking pagbati sa inyo ng happy birthday. God bless you po at keep yourself strong and healthy. And of course, just enjoy your birthday month. Happy birthday po, Mami Felisa.
Hello, Nanay Felisa. She cleaned my teeth. Nanay Felisa, God bless you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. All of that. She's great.
Thank you.
She's coming to my house to floss me every night.
Nako, salamat. Pagbatiin niyo sa akin. Sana umaba-haba pang buhay ko. Salamat sa inyong